Now we talk about the super problem solving. A truck is 5.72 meter high. When it passed under 6.5 meter high tunnel, how much space was left between the truck and the bridge? So A 6.5 height minus 5.72. When you are doing the decimal subtraction, please line up the decimal. We fill up 0 here, right? So 10 minus 2, 8. We borrow 1 from 5. Borrow again, become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. So decimal 5 minus 5, 0. So the answer will be 0.78 meter left. B. David's mass was 69 kilograms. Sam's mass was 57 kilograms. Mary's mass was 48 kilograms, and the king's mass was 48 kilograms. What is the average mass of the 4 students? First, we need to review what's called average. For example, if you have 3 numbers, 7, 8, 10. Nine. So average will be, we calculate total 7 plus 8, then plus 9. And then divide by the number of the data. We call the number data. Well, we have 3, right? So you just divide by 3. So the average will be 24 over 3 equal to 8. So now there are 4 people, right? David, Sam, Mary, King. If you want to calculate the average, you need to divide by 4. So don't forget here. So we need to calculate totals mass first. Total mass will be 69 plus 59 plus 48 plus 48. I put 4 here, 3 here. So 22. So total is 224. Then 224 divided by 4. 5 times 4, 20. Minus 24. 6 times 4 is 24. Therefore, the average mass will be 56 kilograms. C. Joshua climbed 249 meters of a mountain, then 397 meters. How much further has he got to climb if the mountain is 1,239 meters high? So suppose this is mountain. Or is it 1,239 meters? So you already climbed 397 and then climb 249. So we need to calculate the rest. Okay, 249 plus 397. That's already climbed. 6 here, 4 here, 1 here. You already climbed is 646 meters. So 1,239 minus 646. 9 minus 6, 3. 13 minus 4, 9. Here 13, borrow 1. 11 minus 6, 5. The answer is 593 meters. D. Brian bought a roll of 12-meter strings for $32. If she sold the whole roll of strings for $13 per meter, how much profit would she make? Okay, be careful. First, we need to understand what's called profit. Okay, suppose we talk about what's called profit. If you, for example, there's a store here, or shopping mall here. Okay, if today Wesley you buy 100 pencils from the shop. You spend $50. The $50 we call it cost. You borrow pencils from shop, you spend $50. And then you sell the pencils to your classmate. You have a last classmate here, right? So totally, if you sell each pencil, for example, maybe $1, right? So 100 pencil you can collect how much? $100 back, right? You can collect. You sell the pencils to your classmates in $100, right? This $100 we call it revenue. Then the profit is the revenue minus cost. So it's just $100 minus $50. You get the answer will be profit. So you make $50. We call it profit. So the same equations, the same scenario. If you bought 12-meter strings for $32, so it means the cost now is $32. But here should be here. Equation here should be here. Because if Brian sold the whole row of strings for $13 per meter, so it means the revenue should be $13. 1 meter $13 times 12 meter. So 651. Therefore, the profit will be 156 minus 32. So answer is $124. Wow, here is he make. Okay. Now we talk about a super problem solving question 2. Calculate the cost of each item with a 10% GST added. To calculate 10% GST, convert it to a fraction of 1 over 10. Okay, now we need to talk about what is called GST first. GST, if you go to buy anything, if the store mark up a item, the price, and then the money you pay, you need to pay extra 10%. For example, suppose there is one store, it's called Excellent Cup. The store sell about bubble milk tea, right? Okay, that's bubble milk tea. It's quite yummy. If you go to buy it, the store say the price is $10 for one bubble milk tea. Then the money you need to pay is you need to pay 1 over 10% of the $10. So equal to, remember the percent equal to what? 1 over 100. So 10% equal to 10 over 10%. So will be equal to 10 over 100. So become 1 over 10. Right? So it means you need to pay 1 over, you need to pay extra is 1 over 10 of 10 equal to $1. So total money you need to pay is $10 plus $1 equal to $11. You need to pay so much, not only $10. The $1 we give it a name, we call it GST. Okay, now we go back to the questions. If a t-shirt costs $40, so the money we need to pay, we need to calculate GST first. GST is 1/10. You can say 10%. 1/10 of 40 equal to 40 divided by 10, right? Or if you already learned the multiplication of fraction, you can say 40 times 1/10 equal to 4. Then 40 plus 4 equal to 44. This is the money you need to pay if the cost of the t-shirt. A TV cost $700, so the GST will be 1/10 of 700, so equal to 700 divided by 10 equal to 7. Then the cost will be, it will cost you 700 plus 70. 700 divided by 10 should be 70. So 700 plus 70 equal to 770. A laptop costs 1,120. Therefore, the GST will be 1/10 of 1,120, so equal to 112. Then the cost will be 1120 plus 112. So equal to 1,232.